Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Lightforblind. This video is about important question and answers relating the history of Pakistan from 1947 to present. Question: under the 1962 Constitution, the Parliament of Pakistan was. Answer is unicameral. Question: name the first and last Vice President of Pakistan. Answer is Nurul Amin. Question: Benazir Bhutto's second government was dissolved by Daesh on 5th November 1996. Answer is Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari. Question: Yahya Khan imposed the martial law on. Answer is 25th March 1969. Question: name the founder of Pakistan People's Party. Answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Question: which of the following parties won the elections held in 1997? Answer is PMLN. Question: the process of nationalization began in. Answer is 1972. Question: the land reforms were announced by PPP government on. Answer is 1st March 1972. Question: the third martial law was imposed on Pakistan on. Answer is 5th July 1977. Question: who imposed the third martial law in Pakistan? Answer is Ziaul Haq. Question: when the third martial law was lifted? Answer is 30th December 1985. Question: General Ziaul Haq conducted referendum on. Answer is 19th December 1984. Question: Muhammad Khan Junejo became the Prime Minister of Pakistan on. Answer is 23rd March 1985. Question: when the 8th Amendment to the Constitution of 1973 was unanimously passed by the Senate? Answer is 30th September 1985. Question: the MQM was formed during the era of. Answer is Ziaul Haq. Question: the Ojri camp incident took place on. Answer is 10th April 1988. Question: the plane carrying General Ziaul Haq was crashed on. Answer is 17th August 1988. Question: the US ambassador Daesh was killed along with General Ziaul Haq. Answer is Arnold Raphael. Question: the elections for national and provincial assemblies were held on which of the following dates in 1988? Answer is 16 and 19 November. Question: name the party that was launched by Asghar Khan. Answer is Tehreek-e-Istiqlal. Question: when Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf was launched by Imran Khan? Answer is 25th April 1996. Question: when was the state of Swat included in Pakistan? Answer is 28th July 1969.